most people in America, most people
Yeah.
I know in America, they're so unhappy with their career, their
Mm,
job, but they
mm,
make good money, so they just keep working a job that they hate because they make
mm.
money, right? Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hello, Sarah.
Hi. Where are you from?
I'm from Middle East in a country called Iraq.
Iraq. Cool. What's the name of your city?
It's Baghdad.
Baghdad. Okay. That's the only city I know.
Yeah, because it's the capital of Iraq,
Yeah.
so it's famous. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So this is our first time meeting. So can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah. My name is Ahmed, and you can call me Ahmed, but you pronounce
Okay.
it correctly, Ahmed. And
I had good I had good
good pronunciation.
pronunciation.
Yeah, you impressed me when you
Ahmed.
said Ahmed. Wow, American pronounced my name perfectly.
Woo!
Yeah, that's 1 point for you. Yeah, um, um, I'm upset about.
Excuse me.
Yeah, yeah,
I have a small cough. Woo! Okay, go ahead.
yeah. Just like when in the movies when the actor try start like coughing,
Mhm.
the the Arab translators, they translate these coughs like, oh, throat, clearing throat.
Clearing. She clears her throat.
Yeah, yeah. The Arab
Funny.
translator used to do that.
Yeah, the subtitles.
What's wrong with them? I know what they do.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah. Um, um, I work with the technology.
Mhm.
I have a small business for fixing the laptops and computers. Um, yeah, I deal with cell phones, with laptops. Also, I work with networks. I'm the internet provider in my
Mhm.
neighborhood here. I provide
Mhm.
the internet to my clients. I have regular
Mhm.
clients. I have a bachelor's degree in English literature. Uh,
Ah,
yeah, uh, I got this degree actually 12 years ago.
nice.
Yeah, but I didn't work with with English as a teacher. I mean, I'm qualified to teach English, but I don't know. I feel that no, I will postpone like my degree. I will work with technology because 12 years ago, it was like a revolution about cell phones and laptops, uh, and while I was earning, I was making a good money
Mm.
from this technology. But to be
Mm.
honest, nowadays my business is slowing down, and yeah, I backed again to English. I said, yeah, English. I'm gonna like improve my English, and then maybe. Uh, maybe I will like start like teaching English in my neighborhood.
That sounds fun. So, do you think you would work at like a local school in your
Mm.
neighborhood,
Oh
or would
no,
you
actually,
do online courses? What would you like to teach in your neighborhood?
yeah, that's a very good question. I don't like someone bosses me. I, I'm always like to be my own boss.
Me too.
Ye- Yeah, so if I get into school
You're
or
an
private school.
entrepreneur.
Exactly, yeah. So
Hmm.
if, like my boss will like ask me, you have to get to school like at 5 at 8 a.m. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what situation will be because I'm a lazy person. I
Mm.
like to sleep a lot during the day, and yeah. For example, I work from 4 p.m. until 10 p.m. This is my schedule. It means like I'm working 5 hours a day. Yeah. So maybe I will open up my own institute, or maybe I will teach one to one, like a private classes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you
But
can make good. Go ahead.
you know, like I know how to read in English. I've got like skills in English, but as a teacher or a tutor, uh, I have to improve these skills. To deliver the the right information to the students, and the students, they have like different levels, the smart, the and some
Yeah,
people
yeah.
they don't smart, they are not smart enough to understand, so I have to play around these tricks, as a teacher.
Everyone has, yeah. Everyone has learning styles that are better for them.
Yeah.
Some people, can be very visual learning and they need a lot
Yeah.
of repetition, and so you have to figure that part out. But also, you can make sometimes, depending. I don't know about in Iraq, but
Yeah.
in most places, you can make better money if you do private tutoring, one-on-one sessions, instead of teaching a classroom full of kids in a public school, for example.
Yeah.
Usually public school systems don't pay as well as private tutoring. So not only is it a lot more engaging because it's one-on-one, but you usually get paid more, and you can actually see the progress that you're making. You're not in charge of 20 people. When you have one person, you get to enjoy their progress with them, and be their support system and build a connection to them.
Yeah,
I always
exactly.
I always prefer one-on-one tutoring, even online. Even online, when you have, I work for another company, and sometimes I have 6 people online,
Yeah.
and it's just not as intimate. You don't really get to connect. You don't have time to connect with each individual student because you have to make sure everyone has equal talking time, and you can't give as much constructive criticism and feedback when you have that many people in one class and you don't have a lot of time. So I prefer the one-on-one tutoring, but you have a lot of options since you like to be your own boss and you don't want a set schedule. You could even create your own online courses and sell them if you wanted to, which is something I've been thinking about because I work for
Sorry,
I
let me
work
open up my
mhm,
curtains. Yeah.
mhm. I work for a few different companies, and I'm not my own boss. I
Yeah.
I love I love teaching, but a lot of these online companies do not pay well.
Paywall. Yeah.
And yeah, they really don't. And in my mind, I think I could be making twice as much and I could be having a lot more fun if instead of working for 3 different companies online, if I created my own company
Company.
and
Yeah.
I made my own class and did my own class, and then I could sell that course to people online, especially like I love doing like kid classes and having my own kid show, hey, welcome to blah, 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 you can
Yeah.
put on a show, but you can make your own platform. You can make I'm not technologically advanced. Like I can't make my own
Yeah. You can
application
hire like
or
some.
teaching platform, but
Yeah.
I can record a class and try. I've thought about selling my classes on a website and trying to make money that way because then I have full control over, I'm teaching things that I am passionate about and that I'm interested in.
Yeah.
And, you know, I can teach about world geography or travel or different cultures of the world. I can present stuff in a very entertaining, educational way, but it's my creativity, it's my creation. So I can make more money and have more control. Now I'm trying to figure out how to make that happen. So I'm glad we're talking about this because it's reminding me to
Yeah, I
focus on how to make that transition into being my own boss instead of always working for other companies. That
you have to bring
just,
your job for the next level. You know, sometimes like I'm like I'm tired being an employee for the companies. I want to open up my own business, uh, like and like use my time correctly. Instead of use this time, okay, and making, for example, $10 per hour, I will make well, like $100 per hour. Does that make sense?
exactly. And that's how I feel with these, a lot of these companies. Like, I just feel like because the pay is
Yeah,
bad, so
yeah,
I have to work all day.
yeah,
I could I could turn my work day from right now, for example, I work 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Well, like I have to work 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, if I want to make enough to keep traveling and surviving with my current lifestyle.
yeah,
And I'm thinking, if I could even double my pay, if I could just double it, I could work 9 to 3 Monday through Thursday. I could have 3 days off a week, and I could actually spend more time enjoying the places that I live in and enjoying things that I love to do. And I wouldn't be so stressed because I would have more freedom in my life to do things that I really love. And I love teaching anyway. So how
yeah,
can I take, I think for most people, I shouldn't say most people in America, most people
yeah,
I know in America, they're so unhappy with their career, their job,
mm,
but they
mm,
make good money. So they just keep working a job that they hate because they make money, right?
mm,
And they
yeah,
tell me, oh, I hate my job. I hate my job. But now I'm 35 years old. I'm 40 years old. I have to do this job, but I hate it. And I start to think, well, yeah, you don't have to do that job. You can think about what you're passionate about, what you enjoy doing, what do you know about, what do
yeah,
you like, what are your creative outlets, what do you like to create, what do you like to share with the world, with friends, family, what do you like to do? You can always find, you have to take those passions and likes and creativity and find a way to make an income from any of those things, because those are the things that make you happy, right?
yeah.
So I'm in that transition period myself where I'm trying to think, how can I make money off my traveling, my teaching, and my love for theatrical arts and entertainment? How can I make a living off those things that I'm already doing those things, but
But
I'm,
you're thinking really about this stuff. Like
yeah,
you want to open up your own business or your own website.
yeah, or anything that can allow me to make money doing something that I'm already doing it because I love it. It's something I'm
Yeah,
passionate about.
yeah,
Because then um it doesn't feel like I have to work all day every day for companies that I don't really care about, you know? It's not fulfilling. I don't feel like I'm sharing my passion or my my particular gifts or creativity. You know, all humans, we're all creatives, all of us, in so many different ways.
Yeah.
We have to use that creativity to share whatever gift we have with the world. And if we can make money doing that, then we win. Then you can be happy with your life because you're doing something that makes you happy, you know?
Yeah.
And I think I always feel bad when I hear people say, "Oh, I hate my job. I hate my job. I don't like what I do. You know, what can I do?" And I don't hate my job, but I hate my hours, and I hate my pay, and I hate feeling like I can't do things I want to do because I can't afford them, you know?